winning! You wish! I'm faster! No way! I'm winning! You wish! Almost my turn. Whee! Okay, your turn. Yay, my turn. Whoosh! Hey, I was waiting. First come, first swing. Twin rules. We share everything, but not swings. Whoa. Those aren't the rules. They are now. I've been waiting for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is excellent warm-up time. Wow, you're so high. Whee, watch this.
Hi, Angad.
Deshawn, I saw my excellent swing technique.
You looked impressed. Let me go first. Hey, no fair! Veronica! Race you to the top. Using the ladder? Ladders are too slow. Whoa, Veronica! Go for it! Wait! You're going the wrong You're not beating me! Move! Whoa! Ooh. Hey! That was fun! Ow squared. Ow cubed! Worth it? You two are impossible! Not even slightly. Slides are more fun when nobody gets hurt. That sounds surprisingly reasonable. Nope. We use the ladder.
But they're climbing.
I know. Let's go.
But they did it this way.
Ow. Empty. Mine too. Perfect throw. Twin accuracy.
Little one, the best heroes only nip after themselves.
I can do it myself.
That's my girl.
Yay, I'm gonna go play. Sunny, over here.
They'll figure it out.
Did you see me on that swing? I almost touched the clouds. And I almost reached the top of the slide before everyone else.
Almost reached the top, or almost started a traffic jam?
Let's see, Malik waited and never got his turn. Zoe and Priya got knocked over, dead. Deshawn had to stop Sunny from copying you, and somewhere in that park, There's probably a very confused seagull wondering why someone left it a juice box instead of bird food.
We weren't trying to be mean. We were only racing each other. I didn't even notice everyone else.
I know. That's exactly what happened. You were so busy trying to beat each other that you stopped seeing everyone around you. The park isn't your racetrack. It's a place where children of every age come to have fun together. Some are younger, some are older. Everyone deserves a chance.
Sharing isn't giving something away. It's making sure everyone gets a chance. And remember Sunny? She copied everything you did today. Children learn by watching. Sometimes they learn the right things. Sometimes they copy the wrong ones too.
I never thought she was copying us. Me neither.
Whether we notice it or not, someone is always watching live. Operation Park Rescue!
Very official.
It is. We're going to need all hands on deck.
I'm ready. Me too.
Only the best missions deserve die swings. Then the next person gets a turn. Doesn't matter if they're 5 or 50.
Fair is fair. Can I go first? Question!
Proceed, Agent Veronica.
What about the slide?
Rule number 2, everyone waits at the bottom. One child slides, then the next child climbs. Nobody climbs up the slide, especially when younger children are watching.
And remember, we always clean up and recycle.
We will, Dad. Now.
Rule number 3, the most important one. Speed clean. Twin versus twin. Whoever collects the most rubbish wins, bragging rights, for 1 whole week.
You're going down. Dream on. I have fast feet. I have faster eyes. Best of 3, you're on. 5 8 to go in best of forever. Hook, line, and sinker.
Never underestimate sibling competition.
I'll get it first. No, I will.
Mission briefing complete. Tomorrow, we save the playground.
Operation Park Rescue!
Starts tomorrow.
And this time, everyone wins. Last one to the swings is a sleepy turtle. You're the sleepy turtle. Hey Malik, I think yesterday wasn't very fair. You've been waiting. You're first. Thanks, Angad. Real? 20 swings. I'll count. 3, 4, 5 seconds! 7! Someone else has been waiting too. Me? Your turn.
We'll count together. One, 2, 3.
10, 11, 12. Patience is a superpower.
Still waiting, still waiting, still waiting.
That was way more fun. See? Slides are better when everybody gets there safely. And no leaves in my face today.
Like this? Perfect!
Great slide, Sunny. Good job.
Wow, Sunny, you're so brave! Yay. Thanks, everyone!
That's much better.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever Park Speed Clean Championship. Today's finalists, in the white corner, Angad.
Angad, go Angad! Yay!
And in the pink corner,
Let's
Veronica. Ready, set. Angad takes an early lead. Wait, Veronica finds 2 wrappers. This is unbelievable.
I helped!
Yes, you did. Great job, everyone. Good work, Deshaun.
Tie game.
Best kind of game. Twin tie.
I think 2 excellent park citizens have earned these.
Thank you. These smell amazing.
They taste even better after doing the right thing.
Park captains? Seriously? Someone has to help make this place awesome.
Park captains!
Mission accomplished. The playground is spotless.
Best speed clean ever!
We got everything.
Dad, what's that?
Well, looks like the park captain needs a little backup.
Speed clean, round 2!
Thanks for watching Little Superminds. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.